A voice in the night. Hannah was sad because she had no children. She prayed and God gave her son Samuel. She was very grateful, so she gave Samuel to God to serve him. Hannah left her little boy at the tabernacle with Eli, the priest. Samuel helped old blind Eli. He even slept in the tabernacle while Eli slept in a room nearby. One night, Samuel heard someone call his name. He got up and ran to Eli. "Here I am," he said. "I didn't call you." Eli grunted. "Go back to bed." Samuel crept back to bed. He heard his name again. Samuel ran back to Eli. "Here I am," he said. "I didn't call you." Eli sighed sleepily. "Go back to bed." After Samuel heard the voice a third time, Eli said, "It was the Lord." "If he calls again," said Eli, "Speak, Lord. Your servant is listening." So Samuel did. "Samuel," God said, "can you be my prophet and pass my words faithfully unto my people?" "I can," said Samuel, and he did, until he was an old man. Did God ask Samuel to be a prophet to pass on his message to his people?